What would you say if I told you that these were $168? She told me to eat a I mean, I'm trying, but everyone's saying no. What's up, bitches? I'm Shelly, and this is Beauty Buzz, my weekly video series where I talk about beauty while getting drunk. In today's episode, I'm here on Hollywood Boulevard because I want to ask strangers whether or not they like my pants. As you guys may or may not know, Carmar released these extreme cutout jeans for $168, and the internet went crazy. I figured, why not come out here and see if people would buy them? Do they like them? Would they actually wear them? I have no clue, but we're gonna figure it out. But of course, before we get into today's episode, I wanna give a quick shout out to Kaylee for leaving a lot of positive comments on most of my videos. And she also has a channel where she talked about me in one of her videos, so thank you so much, bitch. I'm very flattered. Definitely check out her channel after you guys are done watching today's video. Now it is time for you guys to click subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and let's go talk to some strangers. What if you and I matched on Tinder, LOL, and then we like showed up at a date and this is what I was wearing. And I was like, we're like at a nice dinner or something, and I'm like, in these pants, what would you do?
Eat dinner?
I would wear them to Coachella. I've been working out, so I might wear this.
In public?
Are you cold? I might. The way you wear them are kind of cute. Like, I might wear them. I'm not even kidding. My Instagram is Lil Baby Tiara, Lil Baby Tiera.
So why did you smile so big and then come running over here?
Yeah, I don't know.
It has nothing to do with my pants, right?
It does, a little bit.
That's what I thought.
They're interesting. What do you think? You think they're really worth how much they're aren't they kind of expensive though?
They're $168, yeah.
Yeah, would you pay $160 for these pants?
Hell no, that'd be go shopping at Zara.
Could Renee wear these pants?
Hell no, I'd kick her ass.
We thought.
My mom would whoop my ass with a bamboo stick. She's Filipino, so.
Okay,
yeah.
you know Mexican, we get it. There ain't no way in hell.
So we got a couple of famous people here on Hollywood. It's what we do. But you guys, boys, what do you think about my pants? Is the real question.
Are there any pants in there?
Yes, this is the pants right here.
Great for summer.
For you, it's okay. I like it.
Great for the weather too.
Okay, would you please wear these on your next show? Like it's your new costume.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, I'll try.
Where the hell your jeans at?
They're right here.
You get 70% off?
No, these are $168, baby. Paid full price for these. Come here, tell the crowd that you love them.
I like them because you can see your ass. It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Great. Freedom of expression, right?
It. Wear what you want to wear. If you like it, you like it. Wear it.
Exactly. Now, would you pay $168 for these?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, she would. All right. Carmar, selling them online right now, $168.
I saw these in the TV when I was watching, and they seem to be in fashion. At first, I was a bit shocked.
Right.
And
I mean, I think the whole internet was a little shocked, you know?
Yes,
right?
You know? And I thought, how ridiculous.
But now that you see them in like real life on like a supermodel, of course.
Oh, okay.
What do you think about them now?
They look amusing in a good way.
Right, I'm getting a lot of attention, so definitely wear them if you want attention.
You're definitely creating entertainment for people, so
thank you.
Very
yeah. So you think they're hideous?
Yeah.
And you think they're?
I think they're over the top, but with fashion and all, I don't know. People get away with anything these days.
What would you say if I told you that these were $168? She told me to eat a I mean, I'm trying, but everyone's saying no.
It's a joke. We're gonna say they're no.
All right. Trash. Thank you.
Wear them with anything.
No, you can't wear them with a crop top because then then you're gonna be showing all your cookies to all the boys, and I gotta keep some of the cookies in the jar.
What are you wearing that for though? You need to wear some jeans.
I am wearing jeans, girl. Ow. Let's pretend that I'm your daughter and I was going out with my gal pals and this is what I was wearing. What would you do?
Not my daughter.
No, yes, I'm your daughter.
No.
Like you're my dad. Daddy is.
No, you'll be on punishment. No way. No way. This? You talking about this? What we talking? No.
Yes. So if I was your daughter, you wouldn't let me out in these?
Nah.
You don't think that's like a little sexist? Like guys can like go shirtless and I can't.
Once you got your degree out my house, you got your freedom.
Would you take me home to your mother in these pants? Is the real question. You like these jeans?
Hey, you'll take her home to mama with these on?
Could I wear these? I couldn't wear these to meet your mother?
Nah, not Mon Dukes. I'll let you see the homies.
I can see the homies in
You
these.
see the homies.
Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for that. In these? So you say that you like these pants.
Yeah.
Would you wear them?
Yeah, I wear them just like you.
Oh, she would wear them just like me. Where would you wear them to?
Away. I wouldn't wear them like out where I'm from.
Wait, where are you from?
Philly.
Would Philly, is this acceptable in Philly?
No.
Because I'm from Seattle and they would like look at me
I wear 'em
crazy.
away.
Oh, so like when you're out and about, you'd be like
somewhere else, somewhere that nobody don't know you at. You put it on.
oh, okay.
Like how I'm
can we,
now?
you know what, come this way.
Now, I wouldn't wear this.
Woo, girl, yeah, I like that. Where'd you get this, like this mesh?
Pretty little thing.
Pretty Little Things. Oh, they're opening up a store. All right, guys. Well, that was really weird. Anyway, if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to click subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more episodes. And if you like me being out here shooting the shit with strangers and you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you want to hear me talk to strangers about, and I'll listen to all of that feedback. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. And of course, just like always, until next time, bye, bitch.